Gupta from IT Roorkee, and we will be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And our today's question is invert binary tree. So let's go to this question and see what it states. So this question states that given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree and return its root. Example number 1 is this tree is given to us 4, 2, 7, 1, 3, 6, 9, and then we are this inverting this binary tree, and like for inverting, this 4 will remain at same place. Like we are taking the mirror image here, like we are keeping the mirror here. So 7 will go to 2's place and 2 will go to 7's place. So same is happening. And if we are keeping mirror here, then 6 will go to 3 place and 3 will go to 6 place, and 1 will go to 9th place and 9 will go to 1st place. So finally we'll get this tree. Similarly for this example number 2, again we'll keep the mirror here. So 2 will remain at 2 position only, and 1 and 3 will get interchanged. So 3 will come here and 1 will come here. In example number 3, root is empty. So this is an empty tree and we will return empty tree in this case. Constants are the number of nodes in the tree is in the range 0 to 100. So in this case, the number of nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 nodes are there. So similarly, the constants are given as number of nodes can be from 0 to 100, and node dot value can vary from -100 to 100. So these values, this 7, 6, 9, these values can go from -100 to 100. So in order to implement it, what we'll do is like we will have to use recursion, obviously. And if we reach to any leaf node, then we will directly return that leaf node. And for any non-leaf node, what we will do is like suppose we are analyzing this node, then for this left we would pass this right child into our function and use recursion. And similarly for this right, we will pass this left child into our function, and in this way we'll be able to set left and right child of each and every non-leaf node. Let's go to the code and we will then be better able to understand. So this is the code, and this is the definition given for struct tree node int value tree node star left. This is a left child, this is tree node star right, this is a right child, and then they are constructor. So we have to define this function tree node star invert tree, and we are given the root as the parameter. First of all, we are checking if root is equals to null, then we will return null, and then we are checking whether it's a leaf node. So for leaf node, it should have root dot left is equals to null and root dot right is equals to null, then we'll return root. Now we'll analyze for, now if it is a non-leaf node, then only the code will come here. So first of all, we will store what is present in the root of right. We will store it in a tree node star right, and then we will change the value of root of right to invert tree root dot left. We'll pass root dot left value to our function. Similarly, we will for root dot left, we will pass invert tree, and we will pass this right which we had stored earlier. If we don't store this, then this root right value would get updated and our original root right value would be lost. So that is why we are storing it in our right variable, and then we will use this right variable for storing this root dot left value, and then we will finally return root. So let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine. So this is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. It is taking time. So yeah, it has got accepted, and if we analyze time complexity, then it is O of n. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode.